Hey guys, what's up? It's Jonathan here with another video for you. This is episode 5 of my Communicating Clearly series, so if you haven't already, go check that out on YouTube. This video is all about helping you give open-ended questions that will stimulate conversation and help you have more meaningful communication for whomever you're talking to. If you haven't already, think about subscribing. My channel is all about helping you communicate as clearly as possible, as fast as possible through style, nonverbal communication, and online influence. Definitely hit that notification bell on so my content can be delivered right to you. Anytime in this video, feel free to check out show notes and links in the description for extra content that you might be interested in all about communicating more clearly. So with that being said, let's jump into the video. This video is going to be all about helping you give open-ended questions in any conversation that you have. Now, what is an open-ended question? Let's say you ask me, hey Jonathan, how's it going? Good, Brian. That's a very closed way of ending the conversation. So a good example of an open-ended question would be something, let's say we're having a conversation about our summer and what we've done over the past while, and I really want to kind of get to know what you've been doing and you want to get to know me, but we just kind of are having trouble in our communication. A great way to start the conversation is to be like, hey Brian, how's it going? What did you do this summer? Versus, hey Brian, did you enjoy your summer? See the difference? Can you tell which one's an open-ended question? The first question allowed you to think a little bit more than just saying yes or no. The second question is very much a yes or no question. So the difference between an open-ended question and a closed-ended question is going to be the key to having effective communication in any conversation with anybody you meet. So guys, that's a wrap for this video. It's a quick little tip that I learned. Let me know what you guys think in the comments in the description below. Definitely follow me on Instagram, follow me on Facebook, follow me on Twitter, follow me on YouTube. Think about subscribing. I post a lot of relevant content all about communication, and I feel like I want to engage with you guys more. Let me know what you guys think. What kind of content do you want to see? What are some communication things that you're struggling with that you just feel like, what could I do to be a better communicator? Let me know in the comments below, and I will do a video for you guys. So definitely think about subscribing, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video.